Hello, welcome to the Peaceful Woodturner. This is a piece of Christmas tree that friends saved for me. They save them for me now every year so I can make different stuff out of them. So it's been sitting in my shop for a long time. It's nice and dry. It's still going to have sap in it because these things always have sap in it. I've left them sitting for years and still had sap in them. But this one dried nicely. It didn't crack or check or anything else. I've got a nice big piece here. So I'm going to see about making a nice large snowman out of it. I've done some smaller snowmen, and I've also done some larger Christmas trees. So I decided to see about doing a larger snowman, trying to get the scale and proportions right. So first thing to do is take all these little branches and stuff off, clean it up a little bit, and then I'm going to put it on the lathe to turn between centers, get a little bit shape down here so that I have a nice tenon, and I can put it in the chuck. That'll be a bit safer, I think. So time to move it to the floor. As always, this is found wood. Always be careful with found wood. Watch out for any nails, screws, wires, etc. I've looked over this thing really well, and I've dealt with it for a while. It still doesn't mean that there could be something I can find in there. So I got to be careful. I'm going to start off relatively slow. Make sure you have your dust collection. Make sure you have all your safety protection, your mask, your face shield, all that kind of stuff. Switched around now, it's much more balanced. I realized I didn't have my lighting quite right, so hopefully you can see a little bit better now. So I can go a little bit faster, and I'm gonna just finish taking off all of the bark and all these high spots, get this down to round, and then I can start shaping my snowman. Well, I set out to make a snowman, and as you saw, my skew and I were not always in agreement about what we were doing, and my proportions didn't turn out quite the way I thought. This is my typical snowman. I'm going to make a little hat for this one, but I think I made a snow woman. So I think I'm going to leave her just like this. It's sanded down to 600. It's very, very smooth. All it's got on it right now is some mineral oil. So I'm going to sand the base. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put a finish on it. I'll let you know. You ever make a mistake? It happened to me. You see, I went and I showed somebody. I said, okay, I made this snow woman. What does she need? Does she need to be stained? Does she need to be painted? What does she need? I got told she needs a crown. She needs a holly crown. The person said, it's okay, you can make a ring, right? You make a ring to go on her head, and I'll make it into a crown. So now I have to make a ring that's going to go on her head. So, let's see what I can do.